Hello, this is V and you're watching Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I will share with you a project share I made for the Urban Forager. She is currently having an advent calendar group swap. This is my 6th group swap that I've entered so far, and for each one I am getting better and better. So as far as group swaps, what I mean is sending multiples. So it's so hard for me to send multiples. I don't know why. I believe because I'm not a multitasker, so having multiples like this is a bit challenging for me, but I know that each time that I do it, it gets better and better. And I believe my style is an assembly style of crafting for one of these multiple project group swaps. So now I've got it down. I wish I would have known that before. Prior to this, I would just go in for each one, make each one first. So number 1 was done first, then number 2. But the assembly line is so much better. So if you're new to this and you're wanting to get into these multiple project group swaps, try that and it'll definitely help you. I know it helped me and possibly would help you, hopefully. So this is the last one here, is number 12. And I'm going to go through everything in the box as well as packaging it up. And so I'm going to set my candy cane aside. I'll go over that in a bit. And I love these gatefold boxes from Dollar Tree. So again, I spazzed on the due date. I thought that I had more time. I'm showing you here. I'm using Scrap Divas Designs Memory Decks Ornament Shaker. And I will have that link below along with the discount if you want to purchase that. So I went ahead and went over to the dollar store, which I haven't gone in so long. I think it was like September. So I picked up these boxes. I was hoping to get all of them in the snowman. However, that did not work out. And here I'm showing you the 2 different size boxes. So there are 2 or 3 of the smaller boxes, but I'm so glad that all of the items fit in the smaller box. And just putting my stuff down, I took it off to show you all of the boxes. So yeah, I love these gatefold boxes. They're very durable and festive. I love the details on them, and I love the 3D character on the front of the box. Such a cute box. And so I added some tissue paper. I also added crinkle paper to each box, and I did run out of certain colors. So initially I wanted to do this all red crinkle paper, and I ran out of red. So you'll see a mix of blues and whites and reds in some of the boxes, so different colors for different boxes. Here is Mr. Linus. He's here to inspect my cellophane baggies. He wants those sticky part of it, and he wants to chew on it. I don't let him, but this is the time where I'm able to get in some pets. He does not like to be petted or carried, and so that was the time, and he will come around again to inspect all of this. So here I'm holding a handmade bow that I made out of some faux leather glittered sheets from Hobby Lobby. I just love making those. Do you remember those Paper Studio gold faux glittered bows from Hobby Lobby? And I just recreated those in white. I just love the white for Christmas. So I added it to the simple bag. And I also used that bag for a Buttons Galore and More guest designed project. I also added some ribbon to these wood pins here, and then added a pick. So that ribbon is from, I believe, Joann's a few years ago, and I had bought multiple rolls and wanted to share with all of the swappers. So there I added all of that. Next, I have a bubble tube that I picked up from Amazon, and I added some of that glitter snowflake sequence from Michaels. I also added a charm. Again, this is very simply done because of time. I thought I had more time, so I had to rush a weekend, and then I was given a little bit more time and then added some more stuff. So I'm happy to have finished it and send it off, and that is always the goal. I added a pick here. I love these picks from Hobby Lobby. I bought, I believe, 3 bags in different styles, and I still had some left over. I even shared with someone, and I still have some left over. So I just continue to use them every year and just add them to my projects, and it just gives it another detail to the project, just adds to it, and I just love it. So here's Linus again. He's inspecting all of the crinkleness that's happening, all the sounds. And oh, okay, so I added a belly band to my cellophane bag, and the reason I added that is because I usually like to tie my project bags with satin ribbon, and since the ornament is circular, it wasn't holding, so I added a belly band, and I'm just getting in some pets here as well. So I added the belly band, and then added some punched some holes and added my ribbon. And so I wanted to go with red. I think red just pops for Christmas. It just says something. I love pinks and stuff and all, and last year I didn't do no red. However, this year the red is calling my name, and so I need to add red to my projects as well. So there's my ornament. It's a shaker, and I just love it. I used alcohol markers, and I also added some of that snow bits from Dollar Tree that we all love. Added a bow from Scrap Divas, and also added some holly berry leaves, also Scrap Diva dye from last year. And so let's go ahead and put all of this together. There's my ornament. I added it first. Here's my faux leather bow, and it's a glittered, perfect for Christmas. Added the ribbon, and now the sequins and the crinkle. So there goes the fun. I wanted to add some glitter, but didn't want to create a mess for the other swappers. So I did have to cut my tissue paper to size, and now I'm using this trim from Hobby Lobby that I picked up on clearance a year or two ago. And this is the time, you guys, to pick up all of your reds for Valentine's. Is the day after Christmas. Go and get all of those ribbons. They're on clearance or sale, and that's what I did here. I had no idea I was going to use this for a future Christmas at all at the time, because I wasn't into reds for Christmas. So I'm so glad I picked it up and I'm able to use it here. And I also picked up a gold. So and they had a green as well. So just pick up all the colors. If you see them on sale, you never know if you're going to use them. And these are also great for TN journals. So if you ever make a TN journal, you can use this as well, or as a closure. So that would be perfect as well. So I'm just adjusting the ribbon here. I thought it was upside down, but when I took it off, it kind of fixed itself. So I ended up putting it back there, and then that's just to hold it closed. The box tend to open a bit because of all of the stuff I had in there. I just add my candy cane to the top of the box, and now let's go ahead and package. As far as the swap information, I usually print it out, and I also laminate it. So in this case, I didn't do that because of time again. So I did have these tags that I picked up on the same year as the ribbon on clearance right after Christmas, and they were of a snowman. So they had 12 in the package, and it was perfect for the swap. So all I did was print out the swap information, and I adhered it to the back of the snowman tag. I'm also using some of this organza ribbon from Amazon. Yes, I bought it at Amazon when I used to do other crafts before YouTube, and so I still had it. So there it is. I showed you the bag that it came in, and a snowman. I just love it how it turned out, and I think I'm gonna keep doing that as well, buying some tags and just adding the swap information to those tags, because it's so much simpler and easier to do. And there I'm just adding that tag to the ribbon. I just love how it turned out. I love the red, you guys. The red just makes me happy this year. It's so beautiful. I just love it. So this concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video.